So guys, yeah, as you can see, when it's fully charged, this car gives you it's giving me 293 mileage for full charge. So basically that's how you work it out. Yeah, you see that? 293 miles I could do before I need to charge the car again. Yeah, that's just to show you. Okay, yeah, well, as I said before, the controls are pretty basic. There's a camera at the back to help you reversing, or your safety checks when you're in tight corners, when you're reversing or you're backing up, which is pretty good. Controls are pretty basic. Everything is electronic. Obviously, with new cars, of course, but with this, it's just like a matter of touch and to do whatever you need to do, heating, cold, AC. Yeah, and then you got your media, Bluetooth. Yeah, the whole lot. You could do whatever you want. Yeah, so pretty basic. This is gonna be the end of the video on my first sharing my first electric car experience with you. I hope you've enjoyed it. I have. I think electric cars are here to stay, in my opinion, but I don't think there's still a long way to go to say it will reduce the influence of petrol. Basically based on the pricing, and also based on the charging points available, and the cost of maintenance. For example, the charging unit, how much is costing you to fully charge your vehicle. That needs to come down a lot to have any impact on petrol. And also, yeah, I mean, it has its pros and cons. The pros, at the minute, you get discounts for driving in London. I don't know about other cities around the world if you're getting anything like that. But, for London, you get lots of discounts. Driving in central London, at work, roughly I'm getting between 3,500 and 5,000 pounds towards additional car, or they just give you in cash if you want to invest in buying yourself another electric. What else you get? Yeah, just your carbon footprint. You get some sort of discounts with that from some companies. Once you can evidence that you're driving an electric car, it's a bonus. What else? Yeah, the works one is a big one, and also the governmental one also is good because it helps you with the parking. There's some places that you can park for free while you say you're charging your vehicle, really. And parking spots in London is very expensive, I must tell you that. Owning a car in London is not cheap. Yeah. Okay, what else? Yeah, the pros and cons. The benefits at the minute outweighs the cost. The benefits are enormous. Yeah, I think the main thing is the charging point. The price, the cost of the charging, it needs to come down, as I said earlier. Once that goes down, you're going to see more people buying electric, and also the price of the cars also are not cheap compared to your normal day-to-day petrol car. They're usually, in some cases, twice the price, or slightly about maybe 10-15 grand more. yeah, and the pricing also needs to come down. The battery needs to last longer. I think, in my opinion, I think, but better battery capacity would be nice. So technology and that still needs to improve. Um, what else? Yeah, um, the driving is good. It pulls out very well. Like, you don't mix the combustion, you know, technology of a petrol car. But if you try to race, a car with petrol, I think, it's a no-brainer. You get left for dead. Don't even try it, because it takes time for the dragging of an electric car to catch up. Whereas a petrol with a combustion will just boom, will just shoot off like a rocket. So yeah, what else? Yeah, what else I need to share with you as far as electric cars goes? They're very comfortable. Like this car, for example, it's very comfy. Though it's new, but still, it has all the things that you expect from a new modern car. Really, I'll just put it in general like that. Yeah, with few advanced technology, like the key. I open this car with my phone and I can lock it with my phone, so I don't need to carry the keys with me. The charging, I already showed you how it works. Very basic, very simple. Most of the time, even you don't need to carry your lead. Most of the charging point has a lead, so you don't need to use the lead that comes with the car, with the vehicle. What else? Yeah, it's fun to drive. Very clean. No, as they say, you're not polluting the air, and you don't need to service anything apart from your regular top-ups. You top up the water, top up the washer, yeah, in general cleaning really, or where you need lubrication, yeah, oil, not engine oil, but oil, because obviously some places you still need lubrication, otherwise, that's a no-brainer. You need to oil some parts of anything, anything that's moving. It requires oiling. So yeah, what else? Yeah, it's a bit cold again. I've got my best fleece out. I'm so used to this because it's the only jacket I have right now that keeps me warm to the level that I need to be kept warm when I'm on the road for hours and hours. I'm not playing. You never get used to the cold. Sorry. If you see me wearing the same jacket sometimes, it's because this one is so, it keeps me warm better than the others. I have a few fancy ones, but they're for clubbing, they're for, it is what it is. I'm not bothered with that. So, yeah. What else? I think that's it, really. So I'm going to call this video sharing my electric vehicle experience with you. Draw it to a close with this. What else I need to share? Yeah, the charging, as far as UK is concerned, I don't know about other countries or where you are at. We are almost I would say like 35 to 40% of the cars are now electric. So as a result, there's a lot of already excuse me, as it is right now, already there are lots of charging points like this one I've just visited, similar to this, and I think there are lots of people planning the same thing to put up, like you have as petrol stations, you then have charging point stations similar to petrol, the idea of a petrol station. So you're gonna get that, where you have slots for cars to go and charge spots to where people can charge their vans, their cars, their trucks, their what have you. So you're gonna have that. So yeah, they're everywhere. Charging locations now in London is It's unbelievable. You can't really say, regardless of where you live, you will always find somewhere to charge your car. Always. They're always there. And as I said, it costs money, just like it costs money to put petrol in your car. But I think the charging cost needs to come down significantly to have any impact on petrol. So yeah, what else? I think that's about it really. What else to share with you? Yeah. Oh yeah, one more thing, which is on the negatives. I've just been told, I've not experienced it yet, but I probably soon one day will, is that electric cars actually burns more tires than petrol cars. There was one mechanic that told me, so I don't know, I've not experienced it, but I'm taking his word for it. What this guy said was that because of the dragging when you're moving from a standing point, electric cars tends to drag along, unlike petrol cars that just kind of shifts. I don't know if you can understand what I'm trying to say. So as a result of that, with electric cars, the tires don't last as long as petrol car would. So just keep that in mind when you planning to get yourself an electric car, that when you're changing your tires, it's better you change all the 4 tires at a go, not 1, not 2, as you would do in electric car. Or preferably, because some side will be worn out quicker than the other side, from my experience of driving petrol car. But electric, it doesn't make sense. If you're gonna change the tires of an electric car, change all the 4 tires. Yeah, then you get a better a better driving experience, or a better mobility. What else? I think that's it really. As far as London or UK is concerned, it's ready. Don't get scared in converting to an electric vehicle, but just know what to expect. And yeah, really, there's no risk. The only risk is if you're being silly and you allow your car to bare minimum before you put it on charge. Don't allow that. Once it's about 30 miles to go for the battery to run out, find a charging unit and top up. That's my advice. Just like petrol. Yeah, of course, you buy petrol before the petrol runs out. Otherwise, you'll be pushing your car. This one, you can't even push it. Because you can, but it's heavy. It's heavier than a petrol car, and it's hard work pushing an electric vehicle that is also automatic. So that's it really. Lots of incentives to drive electric car in London is the reason why I got this. Actually, I'm saving a lot of money every way around, because also planning to get business vehicles for this country that I just got. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that. So yeah, this is me on Eniboyme channel. Please subscribe, share, and like, comment. It's still a new channel that I'm still trying to grow. So yeah, looking forward to speak to you on my African tour coming up. I was meant to go to Africa in September last year, but for some reason I had to postpone it for financial reasons, for business reasons. Some juicy contract came up and I had to just do it. Simple as that. That's how the bills get paid. So yeah, thank you so much guys, and thanks for your support, and hopefully you will invite your friends, tell them about my channel, and help promote the channel. That'll be much appreciated. Yeah, so any more ranting from me? Not really. I'm going to close shop now and go by my daily business. Time is in UK now is 8:38 in the morning. Been up since 5 to get myself where I need to be and work and etc. Plan and what I need to do today. So, guys, peace and out. See you in the next video. Don't do what I wouldn't do. If you're going to do something, do it to your best of your ability. Yeah, that's what I was saying. Kisses. Mwah. Well, sorry, this kisses goes to all my female viewers. And guys, I'm not gay, but friendly kiss. Hey, don't take me. I think I'm crazy this morning. That's probably I've had too much coffee. Coffee is hyperactive. So anyway, guys, ciao. See you next time. Bye.